Work-life harmony conversation starters for connected couples. Hey, it's your girl Marie, and let's be real, juggling work and love is a real-life superpower. We're all out here hustling, but sometimes that can put a little strain on our relationships. Today I'm sharing my favorite conversation starters to help you and your boo create deeper intimacy and keep that spark alive, even when work feels like it's taking over the world. Don't forget to subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more tips on balancing work and love life. Remember that feeling when you first started dating? All those exciting dreams you shared? Tap back into that. Talk about your future travel bucket list or imagine yourselves 5-10 years down the line. Sharing your hopes and dreams keeps you connected to that shared vision of your future. Instead of launching into a laundry list of work woes, shift the energy by sharing the highlights of your day. Focusing on the positive, no matter how small, infuses your time together with joy and appreciation. Relationships thrive when we nurture all parts of ourselves, not just our work personas. Talk about your passions. Sharing that excitement with each other deepens your connection and reminds you both that you're multifaceted, amazing individuals. We all crave appreciation, especially from our partners. Make it a habit to compliment each other genuinely and notice the little things. Expressing what you appreciate about each other strengthens your bond and reminds you of all the good stuff you share. In the midst of busy schedules, carving out time for relaxation is crucial for both your well-being and your relationship. Talk about how you both like to unwind and plan activities you can enjoy together. Prioritize those moments of shared relaxation. Remember that hilarious first date disaster or that spontaneous weekend getaway? Sharing those cherished memories injects instant joy and connection into your relationship. Relive those amazing moments together. Learning something new together is an incredible way to bond and create shared experiences. Exploring new territories together keeps things exciting and sparks creativity. Plus, those shared accomplishments, total relationship goals. It's natural to want to vent to your partner after a long day, but try to keep work talk brief and light. Focus on creating a space where you can unwind, recharge, and simply enjoy each other's company. Finances are undeniably important, but they can also be a major buzzkill during romantic moments. Schedule a specific time to discuss finances together to avoid bringing any financial stress into your quality time. Constructive criticism can be helpful, but too much of it can create negativity and tension. Focus on uplifting and encouraging each other rather than nitpicking. We've all been there, scrolling through social media, seeing seemingly perfect couples and feeling a twinge of comparison. Focus on your own journey, celebrate your accomplishments, and appreciate the special bond you share. Politics, religion, those always heated debates, we all have topics that can spark a little fire. Save those potentially heated conversations for a time when you can both approach them with level heads. If there's an important issue that needs addressing, avoid bringing it up casually or in the heat of the moment. Create a safe and loving space for open communication. Approaching difficult conversations with empathy and understanding will lead to a more productive and positive outcome. So there you have it, gorgeous. Creating a fulfilling and loving relationship alongside a thriving career is totally doable. It's about making conscious choices, prioritizing your connection, and filling your moments together with joy and meaning. Balancing work and romance is less about talking about work and more about finding moments to connect meaningfully. You got this.